This Thursday, I'll be presenting on the final day of the UK Modulate COVID inquiry, which focuses on children and young people. So we've heard throughout the inquiry the impact, and the sometimes devastating impact, that COVID-19, the lockdowns and the decisions made about children has had on them. We've heard about really significant violations of children's rights, and we've heard about the impact on children's mental health. So on the final day, I want to amplify the voice of the child. I will be reflecting upon the stories that children and young people have so bravely shared with us. And it was really apparent that their voices weren't considered during the pandemic and since it. It is really striking that their rights have been violated, and government didn't put those things at the centre of decision making. So I want to see some really solid recommendations for both the UK government and the Northern Ireland Executive. We need to make our laws stronger. We need to ensure that the UNCRC is fully incorporated in domestic law. We need to turn the tide. We need to provide more support for vulnerable children in terms of their mental health, in terms of educational inequality. And I want to address online harms and how we pushed young people online. And we're really seeing the impact of that now. We know that online harms have increased since COVID. We also know that we expected children and young people to engage socially and educationally online, and turning that tide is really difficult. I think we as a society spend too much time online, but we need to make the online world safer for children and young people. We need to address things like sexual content that young people have received more of since COVID, and online bullying. So look, on the final day, I'm going to do my best to amplify the voice of the child in this really important inquiry. So tune in this Thursday, the 23rd of October, to see the final day of the UK COVID inquiry Modulate.